Good morning, children. Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Please turn on your
Ma'am,
video.
my camera has an issue, ma'am. It'll just keep turning off.
Hmm.
I try to keep it on, but it just automatically keeps turning off. So I'll try.
Is it? Did you
Sometimes.
restarted it?
Yeah, I restarted the laptop. I think I'll try it again to restart my laptop.
Yeah. Hiza, you there? Hiza, hello.
Good morning,
Hello.
ma'am.
Come on, just turn on your video, everyone. What is this? It's time, right? Hiza, what are you doing?
Sending a project.
Project to where?
It's in science classroom in my mom's phone.
Okay. You can send it after the class, okay? It's class time now, Hiza.
Already did.
Okay. Lazel, you there? Is it okay now, Umra?
I think so. No.
Hello, Lazel. Haven't you take book yet? Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Just turn on your video. 5 minutes will go like saying hello, hello, and turn on the camera like that. Hmm? Whenever you enter the class itself, you just turn on your camera and sit. It will be good if
Yeah.
when I enter, if I see everybody's smiling face, it will be very good to us, good to me, no?
Yeah. I guess.
Yes. So, how are you, everyone?
Good.
Had your breakfast, children?
Just now.
No.
That's why I was
Just
like
now.
2 minutes late.
Oh, okay. So,
Yeah, just now.
yeah, yeah. What is the special, Umrah?
Nothing special, just plain breakfast.
Plain breakfast means what was it? What was in it? What
Uh,
did you had?
the original breakfast was putta and charwar, but we had leftover biryani yesterday's,
So
so
you had it.
I ate that. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. What about you, Lazel?
Ma'am, it's noodles.
Noodles.
Noodles for
Not chicken
breakfast.
noodles, it's Maggie, ma'am.
Uh,
It's Maggie. You are having
Yeah.
Maggie for
noodles.
breakfast. Actually,
Yeah, sometimes.
children,
Sometimes,
if
ma'am.
you don't mind if you feel any bad, don't try to have it for breakfast, okay?
I'm like, um, I
Mom, big
always
Maggie.
love
That's right.
noodles,
Hmm.
but like I heard some doctors saying that if you eat it like every day or like 5 times a week, you'll get rocks in your body.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Actually,
so I
I
stopped.
saw a
I
video
only
on
eat
it.
it like now twice a month
Ma'am,
or maybe 2 times a week.
ma'am, in a week I ate only one time. In a
Yeah,
week.
like that.
I never give my children this thing. Actually, I
But
saw a
it's so
video,
tasty. Yes.
microscopic video, okay, in it, and
Yeah.
Yeah.
something. Did you so?
Yeah, I saw
Yeah,
it, but I
noodles
can't
too.
resist it. No.
After that, I felt like I remember that when I see that Maggie or noodles, whatever. But I used to make it like that one, no noodles.
Yeah,
We
chicken
buy.
noodles.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we
Yeah,
use
that I also eat. Yeah.
that. It is not ready-made one. I'll just
Yeah.
buy that, clean it properly, and then make it. When I think
Okay.
that is also that only twice a month or something like that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe.
If I have any
I
mood,
want
actually
that.
I love that thing. Okay, noodles. I not
Yeah.
Maggie and the Ippy and all. That one that we make now that I like.
Yeah.
I if
And
I
like when
have
I
mood,
was in
I make.
India, like when I went to an offline school, I would always like when I come home, there's only a walking distance, you know.
Mm,
So I always buy sip up, you know,
yeah.
sip up. Yeah,
Yes.
that I
Yeah.
always buy. And then one day, like my throat was so sore because of it, and I couldn't even go to school because like
Yeah.
it's so
Every
good.
children is like that. Wild sip up.
Sipap also, if we make in our home, it will be so good.
Yeah,
The juice and all, we make it and
yeah,
ice it. If it will be
yeah.
good.
My friends do like this. They buy sip up packet. I
We
mean,
use.
without the juice, and then they
I
like
used to
put
do
it.
that. Not every time and all. That's also like when I have mood. Everything depends on my situation, that moods. Yes. So Heza, you had nothing. Hmm?
She has to wake up at
I woke
7.
up,
Oh my god.
woke up, but I didn't have any time to eat.
Why? What did you had? You did not had a coffee at least. Turn on your mic.
Water, yes, I drank water.
Are you starving?
She's waking at 6:30 or 6 p.m. because
Yeah.
his class is 7 p.m. 7 a.m.
6:20.
Yeah.
6:20 because I have to pray.
And by this time you had nothing. Now it's 8 there, no? 8, 8:30. Almost 8:30 there, right?
Yeah. It's 8:29.
Yeah. Almost 8:30. Is it? Okay. Yes. So,
We
all
have
of you
the
had your tracing paper with you. If you are
Yeah.
not having, you just keep
yeah.
there.
I bought it yesterday. I
Oh,
bought it
okay.
yesterday.
Thank God.
Yeah.
Okay, so all of you
Yeah.
take out the tracing paper. Not now. We'll start this chapter right now, and then when you will do it. Okay.
Ma'am, this is the paper, no? Like late, right? Correct.
I bought like a book instead of like
Also,
the
Oh,
paper.
yeah, I
actually,
also
you need only one
bought a
or two
book.
paper for that.
Yeah, because like the other one was so expensive.
Oh, the
Like the
paper.
whole sheet. Yeah,
Oh,
it's expensive.
okay.
So
Anyways,
the
It's a rare item. It's a rare
yeah,
stationery. So
is it?
I
yeah.
got it from Lilo ma'am.
Yeah,
Oh,
me too.
here it's available everywhere in India.
Yeah. It was very
But like
good.
I bought it. I bought this once from India, but they didn't understand when I said tracing paper. They're like they they don't like and then I started explaining like what the use of it and then they gave it to me.
Ma'am,
Okay.
first in Lulu, first I asked a lady, then she's asking me what is tracing paper. Then I asked a
Yeah.
security man, he take it to me, the tracing paper.
Is it? Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. What happened to Rafan and Shravan today?
They've
Then
been
only
absent.
yeah, two in science class also then
Oh,
that's it.
okay. Yeah. So children, look at this. Rotating a shape means to change its direction while keeping the size and shape same. Okay? We are just
Okay.
changing the direction of that given shape, but we are not changing its shape and size and all. Okay, that keeping
Okay.
it the
Yeah.
shape and size same, we are just changing its direction. That is called as rotating a shape. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, video.
Hi and welcome to our lesson on clockwise and anti-clockwise turns. We'll begin by looking at quarter, half, three-quarter and full turns. The car will turn in this direction. This is a quarter turn, half turn, 3/4 turn, and full turn.
I hope you know all this.
We'll look at using
If we
Yeah.
turn this up to this, it is quarter turn. Okay?
Yeah.
That
This
is like,
half turn.
Half turn.
Till here
ma'am,
it's
that
half.
is 90 degrees. I mean 45
Yeah,
degrees.
90 degrees. 90
Yeah, about 90. 990, yeah, 90.
It's 90 degree. Till here it's 90 degree. When we reach here it's 180 degree. And when we reach the full it is 360 degree. Okay.
So
So,
a quarter
So
turn.
here is
half turn,
3.
full turn,
yeah, quarter turn, half turn.
Like the angles.
Three
Three
quarters.
quarters
Yeah, yeah.
turns and then full
Three
turn.
quarters turn and full turn.
using these turns in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. Here we have an analog clock. The direction that the hands turn around the clock is called clockwise.
All of you know that clockwise and anti-clockwise. What does
The
it mean?
opposite direction is called
Yeah.
anti-clockwise. This can also be called counterclockwise. Hi and welcome to We'll look clockwise.
Ma'am, can you turn on the caption so like,
The opposite direction is called anti-clockwise.
okay, thanks.
This can also be called counterclockwise. This car will move a quarter turn clockwise. The car will turn in this direction. This is the same direction as the hands of a clock. This is a 1/4 turn clockwise. This time, the car will take a quarter turn anti-clockwise. So the car will turn in this direction. This is the opposite direction to the hands of a clock. The car takes a quarter turn in this direction. This time, the car will take a half turn clockwise, so in this direction. Now it will take a half turn anti-clockwise, so it will turn in this direction. You may have noticed that both a half turn clockwise and a half turn anti-clockwise result in the car facing in the opposite direction to where it started. This also means that when doing a half turn, it doesn't make a difference if we move clockwise or anti-clockwise. The car will still end up in the same position. Next, the car will take a 3/4 turn clockwise. So the car will turn through 3/4 in this direction. Hi and welcome to our lesson on clockwise and anti-clockwise turns.
Yes, children.
This time, the car will make a full turn anti-clockwise. As we can see, with full be facing if it
Just
made
look
the
at this.
following turns.
A quarter turn clockwise.
An accompanying activity sheet is available to download and print for these questions. Pause the video now. Question 2. A quarter turn.
Look at this. A quarter turn anti-clockwise. For quarter turn means we can say it as 90-degree turns. In your books, it is used in the manner 90 degree and 180 degree. Okay?
Yeah.
So 90 degree means it's quarter turn. 180 degree means it's half turn. Mainly we have 180 degree and 90 degree. Okay?
Okay, the
14
page.
step, right, ma'am?
Look at this.
Ma'am,
children.
14 reflecting shapes, right?
No, it's rotating. 14.5. Rotating shapes.
14. Oh, okay, okay.
Reflecting we have already completed, right?
Yeah.
Just try to do the questions in the remaining questions in the textbook, okay, children?
Yeah.
And practice those questions. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Look at this, children. This is how the shape, this rectangle, no? This rectangle will move 90 degree clockwise about the point. That means the point is this. It is moving 90 degree about the point. Then it will be reaching here. Okay?
Okay,
So
ma'am.
now we'll look into it. Look to how the tracing paper is used for rotating the shape. Okay, listen very well, children.
Rotating by tracing paper. So we got a shape here, and then we got tracing paper here.
Yeah,
If
this
you
is the paper.
do not have tracing paper, baking paper should work the same. All right, first of all, we
We'll
rotate
keep
it
tracing
by
paper in that manner,
180 degrees.
and then we'll draw
So
the
what you're going to
two
do is
lines.
we are going to draw the axis here just so that we know that what we are doing. And then we sketch this shape here. So over here, all right, and then we're pointing it 90,
This is 90-degree turn, and this is
180. All right, make sure you have the axis right, and then you trace it back here. So it's here, just like a cartoonist. Now we join the point. We got our 180. Degree.
Got it.
The same with the 90 degrees.
Now we are
Once we join it, make sure you draw the grid
drawing
as well,
the
pointing at the
90
point
degree
and then
turn,
turn 90 degree clockwise or anti-clockwise.
look at this 90-degree anti-clockwise.
After that, we just trace the diagram there.
So we are looking at the axis, okay? The coordinate we are looking, and then we are marking.
And then we join our triangles. That is how we draw it. We sketch it by tracing paper. The next up, we will use. If we have, we'll try go through a method without tracing paper.
Yeah. Ma'am, I
Got it.
drawn something picture with this paper. Like the picture in laptop and right end of the light and I draw it.
How is it?
Yeah, the tracing.
This is how we rotate with the tracing paper. Look
So
at
we
the
learned
question.
how to do
okay?
rotations today, and we're using tracing paper. So if we have a coordinate grid with our shape here, and we want to rotate it 90 degrees
For
counterclockwise
exam also,
about the
you'll be needing
origin.
this paper.
So
Okay?
that means we're rotating it around this point here.
Okay.
The origin is point 00.
Ma'am, if we're doing like that, we need
X
to
and
have a
Y
paper, right?
axes intersect.
Like
Yeah,
a
So
should have a
printed
box.
we learned
yeah,
how to rotate
graph
it
paper
using
too.
tracing paper.
graph
And I'm
paper.
going to use an example
Okay.
with a
On the graph
transparency,
paper, you'll
so it'll
be
be easier
drawing.
for you to see on the video. But what you're going to do is use your tracing paper, draw the axes and
We
the
don't need
shape
tracing paper.
on the tracing paper. And since we're rotating it about the origin, you're going to put your pencil point right on the origin, and you're going to rotate it or spin or turn the tracing paper around. Now, we are moving it counterclockwise, which means we are rotating this way. All right? And we're rotating 90 degrees.
Anti-clockwise,
So that means
90 degree.
when
Look at this.
the
rotating
x-axis
90 degree
hits the
anti-clockwise. So it
y-axis,
will be reaching
we've rotated
this
it
place.
enough.
Here,
So,
right?
rotate it. Boom, there it is, 90 degrees. And there is our rotated
Let's do a
shape.
question now. Look at this.
I'm going to tear this out or else it won't like come.
Yeah, okay. Look at this, children. Center of rotation is this. A point will be given in each picture. On that point, you have to draw the axis like that drawn. I'll show you once. Okay. So this is A. This is the picture A. Now we are just keeping it in and rotating here. It will rotating 90 degree. That means 90 degree clockwise we will reach here. 180 degree clockwise when it will be reaching here, and 90 degree again. A full turn means it will be reaching here. Full turn means the same only. 3/4 turn means it will be reaching here. Okay.
Okay.
For each of the following, write the number of degrees shape A being turned to get to shape B. Describe if the turn clockwise or anti-clockwise. The first one has been done for you. Look at this. Here In what direction it moves?
Which is this question in a workbook?
Yeah, it's a general question.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Look at this. Look at this. Yeah. In what direction it moves and in what degrees it is moved?
It is 90-degree moves. It's
90 degrees.
90 degree clockwise
Clockwise.
direction. What about this, dear?
direction. It is 90-degree.
90 degree?
Clockwise. Clockwise.
90 degree clockwise direction.
Clockwise
Right?
direction. Yeah.
Look at this. What about this?
Yes. No, it is. Yeah, it
That
is
would
90
be
degree.
180.
It is 180 degree, right?
180.
One turn
Yeah.
means it will be reaching here, and the next turn it will be reaching here. So it is 180
So
degree.
it was 180.
180 degree. What direction?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise direction. What about this?
It
90
is
degree
90 degree
90
clockwise.
degree clockwise. What about this?
90
90
degree
degree
clockwise.
clockwise.
No,
90 degree.
180 degree
Yeah, 180 degree clockwise.
clockwise.
What about this?
180 degree anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. This
180
90
degree
90.
anti-clockwise.
90 degree. It's 90 degree,
Oh,
right?
yeah.
90 degree
yeah.
anti-clockwise. What about this?
Anti-clockwise.
That
180
is-
degree. 180 degree anti-clockwise.
180 degree anti-clockwise. Good job. Now, copy is diagram to rotate the shapes about the center in given degrees.
In the slide it looks so big, but in the textbook it's really, really small.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I do like this?
Huh? What?
Ma'am, we can do like this. You can trace it from the laptop.
No. You just draw this picture, the same sort of picture in your graph. Graph book is there with you, right?
No.
A square paper.
Mommy
is there.
only told us to buy this.
Okay,
when we asked
you
for
have a
that.
square paper with you, right?
Yeah.
You had it already, so that I did not mention about that.
Ma'am, I didn't have graph work.
What about a square paper? No?
And we can draw in a notebook
Yeah.
if you want. Like
Yes. Draw it.
Yeah, ma'am, I can trace it from our book.
we can trace it from a book. The square
Otherwise, do
graph
one
piece.
thing. No need. Just draw this picture in your notebook. No need of square
Yeah,
paper, I
that's-
think.
Okay.
You need to draw that square. Only that.
This picture. Draw this picture. Look at this. This is how we draw the axis. Do you know why we draw the axis in this manner?
Is that the axis? No, that is not the axis, right?
Yes. It's a.
The between the one, right? Like the after the C, the point.
Why I drawn in this manner, you know?
Because the point is there.
Yeah,
Because
because
the
the
point
point.
is
They
there.
given a point. And that is the center of rotation. On that point, we have to draw the axis. Okay, there should be the origin. 0, 0.
Ma'am, you need to draw that square pieces also. That graph.
No, that's not necessary, I think. Let's check
So-
without drawing that if it is okay.
Yeah, and let's draw by the axis.
We have to like draw the squares, right?
The squares
No.
is not necessary. Let's check without drawing the squares, okay?
A light pencil. Oh. Let's just. like a square inside the square.
No, you
Like
have to
umbrella?
no. You just put the tracing paper on this, and then draw this two axes here. Okay.
Ma'am, like this. First I drew like this. Now I have to like
Yeah. Now you just keep the tracing paper on
use
that,
the tracing paper. Yeah.
and then you should draw the two axes on the tracing paper, and after that you just sketch this shape on the tracing paper, and then keep on the rotation. Keep on that origin and keep your hand on that origin and just move. Okay, as you see in that video.
With the tracing paper. Draw the axis.
That the highlighter so that I can draw it correctly. Now we should like 180 degrees we have to do, right?
Yeah, 180 degrees. So how will this will be coming?
Oh, 180. Yeah, ma'am. I got it like that.
Yes.
Me too.
This is it, right?
Yeah.
Can we move to next question?
No, ma'am. Please wait.
Ma'am, like this.
Yes. One second. Just show me once more. No. No.
Ma'am, it's mirrored, ma'am. That's why.
Mirror.
Yeah, it's mirrored.
No, but the axis should come here, no? This sharpness, that part should be coming after the axis, no?
Ah. Ma'am, I put the points wrong. That's why. You put the points wrong. Ma'am, can I do the next question?
Yeah. Yes. All of you done?
Ma'am, is this okay?
Yeah, but draw it a little more neatly, okay? Make it
Yeah.
perfect.
Next question is which one?
Anti-clockwise you have to move. So 90 degrees anti-clockwise.
So we need to draw up.
So how the line should be drawn? This is the manner you have to draw the line. So anti-clockwise means what direction? This is anti-clockwise means this direction, isn't it? Nobody here? To whom am I talking? Huh?
Yes. Yeah, we'll do it.
Will anybody sing in this class?
As I can.
So 90-degree anti-clockwise means we're reaching like is this the one all of you got, children?
Yeah.
Actually, without doing the method, I actually got it right. Somehow.
Without using the tracing paper. You got it right.
Yeah,
Yeah, me too.
me too.
If you have
Ma'am, I'm not done with this one.
this sort of question and all is very easy. Make it fast, children.
Okay, question.
Okay. Do the rest of the question as a homework. Okay. In that B, C, D, and all as a
Okay.
homework.
We did the A, so the BCD is a homework.
Yeah, B, C, D is a homework.
Okay.
Those who are done with B, it's okay. Do the C and D. I'll be posting it in the classroom. Okay.
I
Now,
did B.
copy each diagram and rotate the shape. This sort of question. Now, it will be a little tough without the tracing
Yeah.
paper. So here we should draw the line here, right?
Yeah.
So 180-degree movement means where it will come. Here it will be coming, right? It will be reaching here, then it will be reaching here.
Then ma'am, I'm finished drawing.
Are there?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I finished B. What do we have to do now?
Do C and D as homework and now come to question 3.
Okay. We had to do question 3?
Yeah.
My mom did.
Done.
Yeah. But it's in your notebook, man.
It's okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Now we need to do this one. Ma'am, I'm just confusing without that small pieces of square.
Square.
Yeah, no. No, that square paper. I just confusing without that square paper. That graph book.
Okay. You're having confusion when you
Yeah.
draw without square paper.
Yeah.
Then do one thing when you do next time you just use square paper and do it. Okay.
Okay, I try to help.
You try getting it. Just buy a square book. That's enough. Do you have sister or not?
You're mute, Laser.
I have brother in +2, ma'am.
Oh, plus 2.
Plus 2.
In the
Not
younger
plus
classes
in
and
11th
all
grade.
will be needing the square
11th
book
grade.
for maths.
Yeah, my sister has it. So I
Now
use
he's
that.
in 11th grade. He's in 11th grade.
How?
Ma'am, it's okay if I do it in textbook itself, right? Draw in textbook.
Yeah, it's okay. If you have place, you can draw in textbook. Do this D question, children.
This one.
Yeah. It's a question 3D, okay? Question 3D.
Can you question
Yeah, that's
3D?
the question. This question.
Yeah, that's it. Oh man, this is
This will be a little confusing, so I said you to do this.
Question 3D. Oh.
you know that's square paper.
Ma'am, I'm done. I finished.
Okay. Got the correct picture that I have given here?
What, ma'am?
Got the correct picture?
Yeah.
And I'm done.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Do this question, children. Copy each
Ma'am, this is
diagram.
general question.
Yeah, no, it's a workbook question. Do this one. It's very easy, no? Rotating 180
Yeah.
degree.
Ma'am,
Yeah, do
so we
this
can
one.
write in workbook.
Do this question here.
Ma'am,
Is it workbook?
Yeah, in workbook you can draw. Workbook
Ma'am, what's the
fourth
page
question.
number? Page number?
Workbook fourth question. Do you need the page number?
Yeah, I got 4.
5, right? Or 4? 14.5, fourth question.
Fourth question. Which one we need to do? C, A, B, C, D. Which one?
A, B.
All of them. A, B, C, D.
Yeah.
Okay. All. Hmm. So we need to take tracing paper. First, we need to do the axis.
You could have said the page number, but the page number is 1.
Okay. The axis.
The page number is what? 190, yeah. My table is all messy.
190, okay. So this is the point. Let's rotate it here. So here. What's the rubber?
A done, ma'am. I done A.
Yeah. It seems easy, right?
Yeah.
And the lesson's very easy, I think.
Actually, this full lesson, it is interesting and it's easy, right? Reflection, rotation, and all translation.
I'm done with A.
Yeah.
Anti-clockwise. So. Access.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
The B one.
A is done. Ma'am, B, can you just like draw on it and show? I just want to check if it's correct.
Yeah, me also.
Yeah. Should I explain you the big question?
Yeah.
The line will be coming in this manner.
Yeah.
When it comes here,
Ma'am, you can just draw in that one, right?
no, right? When we move, it will be tough, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to move here, no?
Ma'am, anti-clockwise, right?
Oh,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
yes, sorry.
Ma'am, I'm done with the fourth question. Should I do 5?
Yeah, workbook question, no? I'll give you as a homework,
Yeah.
and if you are done, it will be easy for you to submit, no? You can do it.
Yeah.
It's almost time. We're going to wind up the class. Yeah, anti-clockwise means it will be here.
Fourth
1,
question.
2, 3.
Work.
So,
Now I'll do this without using trace paper.
1, 2, 3. This will come here, no? In this manner, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, I think we can wind up the class. So, children, do the workbook questions. It will be posted in the classroom. And
Finished. I finished.
do the homework in the learner's book question also.
Okay.
B, C, and D of first question, and any other questions like, yeah, let me check whether what can I give you. Okay. And submit it within 2 days itself. I'll be giving you only 2 days of time for submission. Okay. So don't make
Okay.
it Pending. Pending means you will not be able to submit it again. I'll now open it for you. Okay, it will be showing like missing and you will miss that marks. Okay, then have a great day, children.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
all.
ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am.